Hi guys, it's Nikki here. I want to talk to you about a really fun oil today, and that is cardamom. Now, cardamom is one of my favorite oils for really kind of adding a little spice to things. This is one that I will blend with your citrus oils or even your woodsy oils in the diffuser to give it a little more spice, a little more warmth. Cardamom's a really kind of a sweet, spicy scent, I think. I really enjoy it. It's kind of one of those, I call it middle oils. It's not too heavy a scent, but it's not too light a scent, so it's really kind of a good one to add to others. It's kind of a good team player when it comes to the diffuser. And so it's a really great way to just kind of warm things up or spice things up. Emotionally, cardamom is really known for being uplifting and energizing. It's great if you find that you're having a little bit of extra stress in your life, if you're a little fatigued, a little down. Cardamom is a great way to kind of perk things up. Because cardamom is in both a standard label as well as a vitality label with Young Living, that means it's also a nutritional supplement. And so you can use it aromatically, topically, or ingest it. For myself, I like to add a little cardamom to my coffee or my tea, just to give it a really nice, that sort of that chai flavor that we like so much. It's a very warm flavor, and it's one of those things that just tends to kind of warm you up internally. Anything that kind of warms you up is really great for helping to relax and distress, as well as just kind of, help with things like appetite and with just making things kind of function right. Many people will find that cardamom is also an aphrodisiac. So this is not a bad one to have either in the diffuser in the bedroom or in some chamomile tea at night, just to kind of spice things up a little bit. So cardamom is one of those that I think, like many oils, just doesn't get talked about a whole lot, but really does have some great uses. So if you're looking for something a little different to throw in the diffuser that you can also cook with and utilize as a spice, which is fun, I would really recommend getting cardamom into your oily arsenal. Happy oiling!